But he knows his business and I do what he tells me to do. This is a 6-foot fence, and what we normally do is we take the, so what we do is take this is your pin that you would have into the wood, and it pivots on that. So what we have is a drill bit that's just a smaller drill bit, but it allows us not to have to work so hard at putting it in. So it would actually be something easier to do. Okay, and then we'll show you another trick when we get to it. So the first thing we got to do, this is on a hillside, and we want this to be above the ground, not dragging on the ground, and we don't want to run it out of whack, you know, out of level. You don't want to be a whack key. So, it'll be higher than the other ones because it's hillside. Right. So we're going to end up putting it right here with that pin up, and if you pull it out, it pulls out some of the threads, lets it cut better. So now I've drilled the hole, and put this thing in. You may have to get a hammer to get it started.